Hey, you guys want to see some grass inflorescences under the microscope? First of all, this is probably what we would call a spadix. Wait, hold on. Oh, well, who cares if I'm wrong? Anyways, I'm going to call this a spadix inflorescence. And this one is a panicle inflorescence. Kind of hard to see, but I think it's a little crazy. So, like, I think of it as, like, it's panicking. No, never mind. Yeah, it's hard to split it open. But anyways, kind of like that. So it's like all over the place, but it's a very specific kind of all over the place. Never mind. All grasses are angiosperms and monocots. So angiosperms come in monocot and dicot. That has something to do with the seed when it grows in the beginning. Never mind about that right now. And every single one of these are considered to be a flower. Yes, they don't look like flowers because they don't have petals, and they don't need petals because they don't need a neon signboard because they don't have pollinators. They are wind pollinated. This is in the family POACEAE, and it's the same family that corn, bamboo, and probably some other stuff are. I'll try to explain the panicle, but it's just a word. See how it's all wavy, and it's got these little hairs all over it. And it's kind of like wee wee wee, because when the wind hits it, it goes and shakes it, and all the pollen or whatever's in there gets knocked out of these things. However, some grasses have been bred so that they don't shoot their seeds everywhere because they need to be easier to harvest. So this looks like corn, yes? Yes. All right. So we have bred some grasses so that they don't do the things that they need to do to be all difficult and spread their stuff everywhere. Anyway, it looks like corn, yep. There's special botanical words for things in the Poaceae family because they don't look like most other families, like awn and ligular, ligule, and some other stuff. Anyways, some of these things, it's the first time I'm seeing them under the microscope with you here, and some of them, you're in for a treat. Like, whoa, what is that? I don't know if that's a fungus or something. There could be mycorrhizal symbiotic relationships going on there with a lot of plants. That's the case. And every single one of those kind of looks like corn a little bit, right? Yes. And every single one is technically a flower. So you probably have reproductive bits in each one of those. And if I had to hazard a guess, I'd say there's little fuzz on there so that it'll actually take flight a little bit and move some distance. I hope you learned something. I hope you had fun watching this video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.